of press by Lord William Bentinck, it is submitted that there is no illegality, there is no नहीं, ऐसा देखिए, William Bentinck, it is submitted that no adverse inference can be drawn in regard to correctness of this question because the option in regard to freedom of press are given, and that was admittedly given in 1835, and therefore, as per one of the experts' own calling, merely mentioning that Sir Charles Metcalfe be read into the question and the question be treated to be as if the Charles Metcalfe had given freedom of press cannot be sit in the judgment by the High Court, for which he has referred to various pronouncements which will be dealt with subsequently. Next paragraph. Thus, Shri Prashant Singh submits that crux of the matter is that freedom of press was given in 1835 and merely name of Sir Lord William Bentinck is mentioned, that is not sufficient to declare the question to be invalid. Next paragraph. As regards question number,
my lord, in this question, my lord, I have referred the literature Adhunik Bharat ka Itihas.
sorry.
And my lord,
in this regard, he also refers to the literature Adhunik Bharat ka Itihas. कहाँ है वो आधुनिक भारत का इतिहास?
जी, ये एनेक्शन तक। और सर दूसरा मैंने ये कहा था कि एक्सपर्ट ने जो कमेंट किया है उसी एक्सपर्ट ने फाइनली उस आंसर सही माना, द सेम एक्सपर्ट।
हाँ, वो पहले आधुनिक भारत का इतिहास, इट इज आल्सो सबमिटेड दैट द सेम एक्सपर्ट who had commented about Sir Charles Metcalfe has also admitted correct option to be 1835. Full stop.
Yes, sir. WP number 5144 of 2024 पे है वो।
3141.
WP number 5144।
हाँ, उसके पेज नंबर
उसका है साहब, पेज नंबर है ये 7।
preliminary submissions on behalf of respondent number 3
जी,
उसका पेज नंबर 7।
मैं आपको यही दे देता हूँ।
नहीं, इसमें से देख लेंगे। हाँ, he also places reliance on a book, namely आधुनिक भारत का इतिहास 1707 till today, within bracket modern Indian history from 1707 to the present day, by Vidyadhar Mahajan, MA ऑनर्स ब्रैकेट में है, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, PhD 11th edition within bracket amended and updated bracket close 1999 S Chand and Company Limited, Ramnagar, New Delhi 110055, to submit that in this book
पेज 9 पे देख।
हाँ, पेज 9 देख रहे। And relying on page 9 of the said book, it is sorry, internal page 9, running page कौन सा है किताब का? आदित्य जी लाए होंगे ना किताब, तो आप गोद दिया।
प्रेस की स्वतंत्रता,
अंडर द हेडिंग प्रेस की स्वतंत्रता, इट इज मेंशन्ड एज अंडर। ठीक है, इसको कोट कर दीजिएगा। ये WP 5144 ऑफ 24 का प्रिलिमिनरी सबमिशन है 6918/24, उसका इंटरनल पेज 9 है। मैं हाईलाइट कर दे रहा हूँ आपको, ये कंप्यूटर पे दिखाई दे जाएगा जब खोलेंगे तो जी। एक साफ कॉपी दे दीजिएगा, उनको लिखने में सुविधा हो जाएगी। है आपके पास प्रिंट आउट? नहीं, प्रिंट आउट तो दे दीजिए। ये दे दीजिएगा, इसको कॉपी कर लीजिएगा, मैंने निशान लगा दिया, आपको इधर उधर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा। नेक्स्ट, thus it is submitted that 1835 being the correct answer, no indulgence is required from the side of the High Court. Next paragraph. Referring to petition connected matter in which set C is referred to connected matter 5075. ठीक है, wherein set C is referred to by the petitioner as annexed along with annexure P7 to point out about question number 50 being incorrect. It is submitted that there is material to support that Ganesh Sankar Vidyarthi is the correct answer, and that has been enclosed by the petitioner himself, and therefore one or two only some error of use of a hyphen will not render the question to be invalid. Next paragraph. Reliance is placed on the judgment of Supreme Court in Ranvijay Singh and others versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others, and reading para 30 in an exhaustive manner, it is pointed out that the High Court is pointed out that if a statute, rule or regulation governing an examination does not permit revaluation of the answer sheet or scrutiny of an answer sheet, then that cannot be allowed as a matter of right. Full stop. Shri Prashant Singh submits that there is no provision for revaluation or retotaling in the examination conducted by the Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, and therefore all these petitions needs to be dismissed. Full stop. Next paragraph. आप थक गए तो दूसरे को बुला लें, चलेगा, लिखेंगे. Only those persons can appear before, can raise a grievance before the High Court who had filed objections to the answer key which was issued to the provisional answer key and not by others. Next paragraph. It is also submitted that the Supreme Court has held that sympathy or compassion does not play any role in the matter of directing or not directing re-evaluation of an answer sheet. Full stop. If an error is committed by the examination authority, the complete body of candidates suffers. Full stop. The entire examination process does not deserve to be derailed only because some candidates are disappointed or dissatisfied or perceive some injustice having been caused to them by an erroneous question or an erroneous answer. Full stop. All candidates suffer equally, though some might suffer more, but that cannot be helped since mathematical precision is not always possible. Full stop. Thus, it is submitted that the petitioners have no locus to seek indulgence of this court. Reliance is also, next paragraph. Reliance is also placed.
In the case of Ranvijay Singh, the other paragraphs are also important.
कौन सा आपने तो 31 ही पढ़ा
In
था.
the event of doubt, the
कहाँ लिखा है?
benefit should go to the examination.
कौन सा paragraph है?
ये 30.5.
It is also pointed out that in para 30.5, Honorable Supreme Court has held that in the event of a doubt, the benefit should go to the examination authority rather than to the candidate. Full
And
stop.
30.4 mein, sir, the court should presume the correctness of the key answer.
It is also submitted that in para 30.4, it is held that the court should presume the correctness of the key answers and proceed on that assumption, semicolon, and ठीक है ना?
And 30.3, बस.
30.3 भी ऐसा करिए, इसी ऑर्डर में 30.3, 4 and 5 कोट कर दीजिएगा. चलिए मैंने ऑर्डर उल्टा कर दिया, इसको फुट कर दीजिए. नेक्स्ट पैर. Reliance is also placed on the judgment of Supreme Court in Ashok Kumar and another versus State of Bihar and others, and reading para 13, it is submitted that within inverted that Supreme Court in Chandra Prakash Tiwari versus Shakuntala Shukla 2002 bracket में 6 SCC 127 has laid down the principle that when a candidate appears at an examination without objection and is subsequently found to be not successful, a challenge to the process is precluded. Full stop. Thus, it is submitted that principles of estoppel will apply, and petitioners, after having participated in the selection process, are not entitled to raise any issue in regard to the correctness of the answer key. Full stop. Reliance is also placed on the decision of
यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट्स कमीशन.
हाँ आ रहे हैं, सब आ रहे हैं, सब लिखा रहे हैं. आप देखिए तो कुछ छूटेगा तो बताइएगा. University Grant Supreme Court in University Grants Commission and another versus Neha Anil Bobde within bracket Gadekar 2013 का 10 SCC 519 full stop. Reading para 31 of the said judgment, it is pointed out that the Supreme Court has held that the court shall not generally sit, the court से inverted commas में लेना, the court shall not generally sit in appeal over the opinion expressed by the expert academic bodies, and normally it is wise and safe for the courts to leave the decision of the academic experts who are more familiar with the problem they face, than the courts generally are. Full stop, inverted commas, close. Next paragraph. Reliance is also placed on the judgment of Supreme Court in the Telangana Residential Educational Institutions Recruitment Board versus Saluwadi Sumalatha and another, decided on March 5th, 2024 in a civil appeal arising out of SLP within bracket C bracket close NOS dot 16134-16135 of 22 full stop. Reading para 14, it is submitted that Supreme Court has held within inverted commas 14 dot courts will have to be cautious and therefore slow in dealing with the recruitment process adopted by the recruitment agency. Full stop. A lot of thought process has gone into applying the rules and regulations. Full stop. Merely because a recruitment agency is not in a position to satisfy the court, a relief cannot be extended to a candidate deprived, as it will have a cascading effect not only on the said recruitment of respondent number 2, but also to numerous others as well. Full stop. In such view of matter, courts are duty bound to take into consideration the relevant orders, rules and enactments before finally deciding the case. Full stop. Inverted commas close. Next paragraph. Reliance is also placed on the larger bench decision of this High Court in writ appeal number 581 of 2017, Nitin Pathak versus State of MP and others, and read full stop. Reading para 31 of the said judgment, it is pointed out that the power of judicial review No, that in exercise of power of judicial review, comma, the court should not refer the matter to court appointed expert, as the courts have a very limited role, particularly when no malafides have been alleged against the experts constituted to finalize.
Market ups and downs bothering you? Start trading in futures and options today. Open free Demat account now.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
हेलो
हेलो।
हाँ प्रधान जी, हम नया सचिव।
ससुर।
सचिव जी, ट्रांसफर कैंसिल हो गया आपका।
एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसी चल रही है?
अब आगे फोकस करना है, ऑलरेडी एडजस्ट हो ही रखा हूँ। मुझे फालतू का लोकल पॉलिटिक्स होता है उससे दूर रहना है बस।
टंकी पे चाय पीने जा रहे तो सोचा
वैसे भी अभी दिन हो रहा है, कोई देख लेगा तो
बातें बनाने लग जाएंगे।
शाम को 7 बजे चल सकते हैं, मैं फ्री भी हो जाता हूँ और थोड़ा अंधेरा भी हो जाएगा।
अंधेरे में जाके क्या करेंगे?
प्रधानमंत्री गरीब आवास वाला लिस्ट आ गया, वो चिपका दे बात।
अलगे फ्रॉड चल रहा है। फ्रॉड? 12 घर में से 7 फुलेरा पश्चिम को मिला है, जिधर प्रधान रहता है, और फुलेरा पूरब को मिले केवल 4 घर। गांव को आपके जैसा मतलबी नेता नहीं, एक दूरदर्शी नेता चाहिए।
सचिव जी, पंचायत का इलेक्शन माथा पर है।
तो मैं क्या करूँ प्रधान जी? अच्छा भला रिजाइन कर रहा था, फालतू में वापस आ गया इस गाँव।
हे राजा जी,
सबको नेता बनना है ना? हाँ। तो चलो फिर नेता वाला काम करते हैं।
रोड बनेगा कैसे?
हमारे पास एक तरकीब है।
क्या?
विधायक जी के साथ शांति समझौता किया जाए।
आप लोग तख्ता पलट कीजिए, सपोर्ट रहेगा।
मान लीजिए आप ये पंचायत चुनाव हार गई तो?
जब आदमी सामने से कह रहा है रोड बनवाने का इंतजाम हो सकता है, तो क्या बोलूं उसको? नहीं चाहिए रोड?
बोलो नहीं चाहिए। देख रहा है बिनो, प्रधान जी गुस्सा दिखा रहे हैं।
प्रधान बनने के बाद सबसे पहले यहाँ का बैठकी बंद करवाएंगे।
वो एमएलए करना चाह रहा है शांति समझौता, तो करने देते हैं उसको शांति समझौता।
कबूतर भी तो उड़ाना है।
कबूतर तो उड़ाना है।
Fastest train bookings. Book train tickets in less than a minute. Download the app now.
ये अपना मुंबई है ना, ये एक बार किसी ने